Okay, I hope this is not insulting to your intelligence. I've picked up some tips from crafting ladies that helped me, so I just wanted to pass them along just in case they didn't already occur to you just naturally. But this is your stencil, and there's a clear carrier tape that I put over the top of it. You want to handle the stencil using this clear tape if at all possible, because the less you can touch the adhesive on the back of this stencil, the better your stencil is going to stick to your model. Also, you'll want to pay close attention that these little counters here in the A and in the R transfer. So you'll use this burnishing tool right here that I'm going to send with the stencils, and you'll just kind of scrape firmly in different directions over the top to help the stencil stick to the tape. And then flip over and peel the backing from the stencil rather than the other way around. Wow, it's... Oh, there we go. And kind of do it at a sharp angle, and it came off nice and clean that way. I hope yours do the same. And then you just pretend this is your plane, and you'll get it positioned right where you want it and lay it down, kind of get it all rubbed down, and you can use the burnishing tool again to scrape. My can's not as firm as your model's going to be. And then peel the tape back at a sharp angle. Ooh. Making sure those counters transfer. They're boogers to put on by hand. And then you can, here we go, just kind of rub over it real well before you paint, just to make sure it's sealed down. Kind of make sure all the little pieces are stuck down really well. Sorry, this can was a bad choice. Also, in case the white stencil doesn't work as well, maybe you really need to be able to see where it's positioned. The stencil is positioned in relation to something else that's already on the plane. I made some of the stencils out of clear contact paper, and they also have the clear carrier tape over the top. It's just going to be much more difficult to see that everything transfers properly. So like you can tell, you can't really see anything on this video. You just do the same thing. You scrape over the top of it. Kind of get it started there. Peel it off. You can see it a little now. Maybe with the light on it, you can see the stencil. And goodness, I'm not even sure. Hang on just one moment. Alright, here's our trusty can again. I don't have my little towel underneath. Just get it positioned where you want it, and you can see where the lettering is. And oh, see, I kind of, my little counter, my A is crooked. Let me see if I can peel it up and fix it. It'll be easier with a pair of tweezers, but I'll just use my fingernail since this is just for practice. But I can kind of adjust it a little bit, and then get it positioned. It's still not perfect. Get it positioned where you want it on your plane. It's hard to do. Can you see it? It's really hard since it's clear. And of course, burnish it on. See, I can't even see. There we go. Oops. See, the contact paper is going to come up much easier also, I think. So you'll just have to be just so meticulous. That's why the white is a little bit easier to work with. But if you really, really need to be able to see what's going on underneath the stencil, I wanted to make you some clear ones just to be sure you had what you needed. And just kind of, again, make sure it's all pressed down right. You can adjust things a little bit. There you go. Hope it works for you.